Greetings, math fans. All right, so this is worksheet 3, and a little more probability. This is basically one question on the final exam, similar to this. So make sure we know what we're doing here. All right. This is one of the applications of probability. So if I gave you a pie chart, okay, so here's a pie chart. You can see it's broken up into 8 different sections for pies, right? So I give you a pie chart with a spinner. That's that black line there. And basically, you hit the spinner, it goes around, and it picks a number 1 through 8 for you. Every number is equally likely to get or likely to be chosen. Okay, so the probability is the same for each number. And the question is, what is the probability? I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions on this. So remember what I told you, going back to this top part here, probability is success over total outcomes. So the total outcome is basically over 8. You just need to know that. It's all over 8 because there are 8 numbers to choose from here. Okay? All right, so let's look at some of these questions. I'm going to do some of these for you, and you're going to do the rest. Okay? So what's the probability of getting a 4? Well, that's just 1/8 because there's only one 4. 1/8. Okay? What's the probability of getting a 4? Oh, there's the word or, a 4 or a 5. So it's 1 4 and 1 5. Oops, so it's kind of messy. So it's going to be basically 1 plus 1 over 8 or 2/8. Okay, pretty easy. What's the probability of getting a 2 through 8? So 2 through 8 means a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. So the only number that's missing is 1. So if you count those up, it's 7/8. Okay, what's the probability of getting a multiple of 2? Well, multiple 2 just means, you guys should know that. Multiple 2 is 2, 4, 6, or 8, right? That's a multiple of 2. So that's going to be 4 out of 8, or 1/2. All right? So, like I said, this is a pretty fast lesson here. I got 4 of them. You guys should do the next 6 here, okay? I will do one more with you, though. It says, what is the probability of getting a multiple of 3? This is number 8, okay? So that just means you're going to get a 3. That's a multiple of 3, or a 6, or a 9, but not really 9 because there's no 9 on the spinner. So it's just 3 and 6. So it's 2 out of 8 is your answer. Okay? So if you guys could try the rest of these, I'll do them now for you, but you should stop the video and try the rest of these because you need to know how to do these for the final exam and for the test. Okay? All right, so let's finish it up though. Hopefully you've done it and you just want to check your answers. Probability of getting a 6, again, that's really easy. It's just 1/8, there's 1 6. A 2, 4, or 5, there are 3 numbers, so it's 3/8. Probability of getting a 2 through 7, so it's, if you list them, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 6/8. Okay, I already did 8 together. Multiple of 4. That just means 4 or 8, right? I mean, it's 4, 8, 12, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, right? But it only goes up to 8, so it's 2/8. And then probability multiple of 5. Well, multiple of 5 is 5 and 10 and 15. Well, there's no 10, so it's just a 5, so it's 1/8. Okay, when it says like multiple of 5, sometimes kids do this. They go, oh, it's 5/8. No, there's only 1 5, so don't do that. Okay? So that's it. It's a pretty fast sheet here, guys. And yeah, so that's it. All right? So hopefully you guys did well with this, and that's all I have to say. Have an outstanding day, math fans. Adios. Goodbye.